All right, multiplying using the distributive property. This method is invaluable because if you have a two-digit number, for instance, let's say we were doing 9 times 23, all we need to do is separate that 23 into 20 plus 3. So you're making the tens digit, the 2 is 20, and then the ones digit's 3. And then distribute means we're multiplying to both of those numbers. So when I think of 9 times 23, I really think of 9 times 20 plus 9 times 3. And then it's much easier to do because 9 times 2 here is 18, and I just tack on that 0. 9 times 3 is 27. Now I can add those in my head and get 207. So again, all we want to do is break down that two-digit number into a tens and then a units. So let's try another one. Let's do 8 times 53. So 8 times 53. The 53 I'm going to break down into 50 plus 3. And then I'm going to do 8 times 50. And then 8 times 3. So I'm thinking 8 times 50 plus 8 times 3. And then 8 times 5 there's 40. Add on the 0, you get 400. 8 times 3 is 24. Add those together, and we get 424. All right, try one on your own. Make sure you got it. Let's do 7 times 42. I'll give you a second to try that. You can go ahead and pause the video. And now for the solution. 42 breaks down into 40 plus 2. So we have 7 times 40 plus 2. I'm going to write that as 7 times 40 plus 7 times 2. And then 7 times 40 is just 7 times 4, which is 28. And then I'm going to tack on that 0, so it's 280. And then 7 times 2 is 14. So 280 plus 14, we should get 294. Hopefully you got that. That wraps it up.